Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. First we need to open the quick panel. To do it, swipe downwards from the top of the screen twice, like this. And on the quick panel we should have the power saving mode icon. Tap on it to enable the mode, like this. And to disable the mode, simply tap on this icon again. You can also press and hold on this icon to open the power saving mode settings. And here we have on and off switch. Basically you can tap on the switch to enable the mode and disable it. And below we have some options we can customize. Basically you can enable or disable the option to limit the CPU speed to 70%. When the power saving mode is enabled, decrease brightness by 10%. Turn off 5G. And limit apps and home screen. Enable or disable the options you like, and then go back. And that's how you enable or disable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.